Got another Mansory project complete. By now you guys can't understand how we're finishing these cars. These videos are actually a little bit like delayed, so we're faster than what you even see on YouTube. We finished up another Rolls Royce Phantom behind me. This one got the full Mansory package, and it includes the hood, all the forged carbon fiber goodies, all of it. Black as usual, but this is the black on Mandarin orange. The last one we did was black on pink and white. The one before that was black on forged yellow, which was probably my favorite one out of the bunch. But check out this orange. I know people will love it. You got forged carbon fiber on the hood. You got the whole front end, which, you know, you add all these lights. Mansory adds this light and DRLs on the bottom. So you get a lot of lights on this front end, which really makes it look even more mobster-like. We got the blackout, obviously this car had all chrome, so full blackout. We got the orange accents throughout. So you got the orange inside the guts, even on the bottom grille in the guts as well, all orange. You got the orange hand-painted emblems and the orange spirit of ecstasy. So front end crazy, you got the stars in the headlights because this is a 2026 model, brand new car. You got obviously the Mansory fenders. This has all been painted in-house over here at RDB, and it is beautiful. These fenders are very hard to paint, they're carbon. It's very, very hard to paint this thing because it's so big, and you gotta do a lot of work. Epoxy, primer, paint, all that stuff. And then this custom hand-painted stripe with the pulse, we call it, and the Mansory on it. Looks incredible. Side skirt on the bottom, forged carbon. Obviously Mansory wheels, 24-inch, one piece. Beautiful. Roof spoiler, trunk spoiler. Whole rear bumper obviously has been changed with the Mansory bumper. It comes with the exhaust tips as well, Mansory, and obviously their signature black and orange emblem. So, looks incredible. It's been lowered as well. Let me open up the interior for you guys, show you all that orange. This car has a lot of orange inside. And we also did the Mansory door sill plate. Check out this craziness, orange and black. The main reason why you get these cars for their modified guys is you match the outside to the inside, so you get the full experience. When you're looking at it from the outside, you open the doors, you enter, it's kind of like an extension of the outside. So really cool there. You got the Mansory forged carbon door sills, badass. We have 2 or 3 more Phantoms that we're going to be doing. We also have 1, 2, 3, 4 Mansory Cullinans. One is getting done right there. We also have 2 new Cullinans for blackout. So I think we have a total of 8 Series 2 Cullinans here right now. We have the crazy Venom G-Wagon we're going to be doing. We have the Urus wide body we're doing. 2 more Ferrari per Songways Venom pits. Endless here. Keep asking how we do it. We just keep doing it. Around us is a lot of Rolls Royces. We are pretty much overwhelmed with 2026 Rolls Royce Cullinans. We have a very angry employee. He's tired of doing his job. So whoever has been watching RDB knows John, he's been there forever. He could probably beat the record on taking a car apart but not putting it back together. No, still he's the fast, but he's very fast. He's very fast at taking cars apart. We have a very rich person in back of a Maybach getting his windshield changed. That's the service you get at RDB. You can sit in behind your Maybach and get your windshield changed. Sitting in back of a Maybach and you're getting your windshield changed.
Yes, I am.
On the spot.
Yes.
Okay.
With a $200,000 watch.
Yes.
So nowhere else in the world. But
Nowhere else in the world.
So all of this is going to be Mansorized. As you can see, it has a beautiful orange, black, white interior. I also have a burnout gray Rolls Royce Cullinan over here with the blue inside. This is getting a blackout, not Mansory. We have a fresh Mansory build finishing up over here. We have, I can't tell if this is the Mansory Cullinan that we're doing or the blackout. Okay, definitely, yeah, that's not happening. Yeah. So one of these is gonna be Mansory, one of them is a blackout. That up there is a white on red that's also getting Mansory. That I know. I just don't know which one of these is getting Mansory. No. But yeah, a lot going on here, so stay tuned.
RDB. Come to RDB, get your shit done. Get your shit done at RDB. Bought a white Ferrari, they pulled that shit out of a lake. Did we not have a Ferrari that was rusted? The first Ferrari I ever got.
Yeah.
Fucking 458 Spider, white. It was in a fucking lake.
But it was good after.
It was good after. Took 3 years, they got the rust off. Pulled it out, drove it for a week. Then got a black one.
Yeah, and then another one.
And then another one, and then another one.
Yeah.
You know how expensive it is to replace an air conditioner and a Rolls Royce Ghost?
I put a lot of people on the map in the car game, but this guy put a lot of people on in the reality TV shows and all that stuff.
All that stuff, bro. All that stuff. They were gonna be the biggest reality stars around. Network was too poor to afford the show. No more poor fucking networks, okay? Spend the money, let the experts do it, or fuck off. That's it. That's all you gotta say. It's RDB. RDB for life. I don't go anywhere else. I don't crash a lot of my cars or anything. I try not to. But when I do, he gets the call in the middle of the night. He sends the truck. They pick up the car. It comes here. That's it. It's over. So who are you gonna call? You're gonna call him. Call him or you call them. But just whatever you do, you call them. All right? RDB motherfucker for life.
Let's go.
My fam. My fam.
It has to burn oils off too, right? It has to probably burn like oil off too a little bit. Maybe.
Look guys, I'm doing something.
Yeah, he's doing something. My boss working with me.
All right, behind you guys, we have the SF90 that Javier's putting together. Turbos are back, and they are better than ever. So they're installed, no more leaks. And let's see what happens right now. About to turn Javier's putting the bumper on, put everything together, put the wheels on. We're gonna go for a test drive, make sure everything's okay. Call the customer. He's been waiting for this car. He has not enjoyed this car ever since he got it. It's been at the shop all the time. So
I think he had it like one day and it came back.
yeah, I think he drove it for like a day or two, and that's about it. So we're very excited that we're gonna give it to him today, and that's the main goal. So let's go, Javier. Make it to break it, Salazar.
Good touch, bro. Come forward. What? What the hell, man?
What you say? The hell?
What the hell? I don't know. Ah, what size? Ah, that's beautiful. Yeah, great. Yeah. Let me get out.
Gym and you need the extra strength?
Yeah, let me do those for you.
No.
One, just one. That's it. Get it. Inspected the bearings, you'll take it out, you'll see.
I think this had most.
This is an Audi. This is not a Porsche, no? This is Audi.
What?
This is Audi car.
This is fucking Chuck E. Cheese here. All these guys are all 2 years old. It's a Chuck E. Cheese place. Everyone's just honking and doing everything else. So we need left and front, hub and bearings, making very, very loud noise. It's not drivable. After like 30, 35 miles per hour, it's super loud inside. And we ordered all the parts. They're coming. Javier's gonna knock this one out. Front brakes, rear brakes, left and right front, hub and bearing.
What guys?
Well, guys,
Well, since it's not real gold, it should be real gold if you want to be a boss. Pure PPF. But anyways, over 100 projects completed. We had the bronze one at first. This is definitely a little heavier, but I don't know. But anyway, it's pretty cool for a business to be doing stuff like this, so I respect that. But we've been doing a lot of colored PPFs, and we Uber them all day long. So we get them like same day, within an hour we get rolls and we get cars done. So thanks to the Pure PPF guys. We got our bronze gold. Next will be, I don't know what diamond, but next one has to be real or else I'm not accepting it.